Hey guys, Julvin is the name. I share valuable insight on how to make some extra cash online. Over the past years, I've helped a lot of guys to make some money online. And so I am glad to welcome you to my channel, where I will be sharing valuable insight on how to make money online. So you should be expecting videos on how to make money online, the tricks, the skills, and all that you need to know about making money online. I will also be sharing with you the the legit platforms that are paying, that you can actually take advantage of and start making some extra cash for yourself. So if you are looking for some extra way to make some money online, then I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my weekly videos where I will be sharing insight on how to make money online. Again, don't fail to turn on the bell notification icon so that you will be notified whenever I drop new video. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.